So we know that planning a new kitchen or bathroom feels overwhelming. That's why we make the process simple for you. Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm one of the directors at City Bathrooms and Kitchens. We're a family-run company based here in Coventry for over 35 years. We've got a big showroom, 3 floors, 300 displays, and we're the highest rated renovation superstore in Coventry and Warwickshire. Customers come to City Bathrooms and Kitchens because they want to modernise their space, upgrade their space, or adapt their space for better use. At City Bathrooms and Kitchens, we do everything from start to finish, starting with the design. We offer expert advice, 3D planning on our specialist CAD software so you can visualise the space in person and you know exactly what you're going to get fitted before it gets fitted. When it comes to picking your products, we've got absolutely loads of choice in our showroom, and we're constantly changing displays to keep up with the new trends and new styles, so you're always going to have the best available choice in our showroom. We offer a number of different packages to suit any budget. When you come into the showroom, we can sit down and we can tailor something exactly specific to what you need. All of our installers have many years of experience. We've been doing this for over 35 years, so you're in very safe hands. We have hundreds of reviews on Google and Track-a-Trade that we're really, really proud of, and so many thank you letters in the showroom dating back almost 30 years. So if you're thinking of renovating your bathroom or kitchen, give us a call, nip in the showroom, and we'll be happy to help.